Well, if you've got products to sell, you're going to love this called Pinterest for KDP sellers. And I will tell you that the methods used here have a wider application than just selling your book on Kindle. But there's some amazing stats about how this is one of the best performing search engines out there for ROI. And I'm going to scroll through this, but I'll tell you that if you just click the link in the video description, it'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. There is a bit of a description. You can click the product box and boom, you're at this page right now where you can grab it. There's also a description of what's in 8 different parts of the guide. The prices from $17 front end to the $69 bundle to the $27. Sorry, I've got a cold. Traffic mastery. There's an AI prompt library for $27, done for you pack for $37, and a direct sales funnel for $47. At the bottom, you can click the link and you're at this page. Here's the part that's going to really get you excited. First off, it's all free traffic. Pinterest is free. And secondly, you can start today and be ahead of the other guys who are already out there with well-established sites. And I'll show you what I mean by that in just one sec here. This will get you traffic. And this is, again, here, look, for fiction authors, coloring book creators, low content publishers. I think you can take a lot of the methods that they have. And like they say, most people try to Pinterest once and give up. They post a book cover, they wait for likes, they're done. It does work. Now let me go back to this. Sorry, I skipped ahead. No follower count required. They reward relevance, not search. It is different. And it works like a search engine, not a social feed. So it's a search engine. You don't need an ad budget. This is organic traffic. No daily posting grind. Here's the big difference. Well-built pins work for months or years. And the social media stuff lasts for 48 hours or something like that. Sometimes less. Twitter is really short. No prior Pinterest experience. They're going to guide you. You're going to build it right from the beginning. Tons of traffic. People have bought stuff. They're very much buyers. There you go. 3 to 6 month working life of a pin versus 48 hours. Highest ROI free marketing channel for Kindle coloring book publishers are Pinterest, but through videos. So this is not just hitting a button and posting to Pinterest. This is doing it right. So books among the top 23 most viral pin categories on the entire platform. That's books in a general sense, but you get the idea. No followers, they're going by what you've got in your pin. So you see some of those things, and you can scroll through this. You click the link to come to my page, click the product box, you're on this page, and you can read through that to your heart's content. This is his experience after, I think, 3 weeks. And you can see impressions, engagement, clicks, saves. You get people, there's traffic. And just getting started. I don't even know what that is in Italian. So this is all done. Let's scroll down here and I'll let you read through this too. The platform, account and brand, board architecture, Pinterest SEO essentials, pin creation, content workflow. You've got to do it right. Your first funnel, product specific playbooks, weekly Pinterest checklist, board planning template. You're going to do it right. And you're going to create traffic to these pins. And the whole thing, I'm going to scroll down. I'm really feeling myself sniffling, $17. So click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. You click the product box and you're here on this page. Scroll down. You can grab the Pinterest for KDP sellers guide for $17, or the whole bundle is set $69. And you'll see that listed there, both on my page and on the page here too. $17 and you're away getting free traffic from Pinterest. Check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Click the link in the video description and come check out Pinterest for KDP sellers. Enjoy.